Hey guys, I am Suyog Savalkar and welcome back to the channel. Today, as shown in the thumbnail, we are going to talk about 5 YouTubers that will add immense amount of value in your life. And believe me, the content that they put out for free won't be available in any other paid course. So stay tuned till the end and let's get started. So guys, before starting our today's video, I would like to thank you, a big thanks for the love that you gave to the last video about productivity. If you haven't watched it, it's somewhere here, I don't know where it is. Uh, Coming to it, guys, today in today's world there is a lot of content. Not all of it is useful, and believe me, a small part of whatever content is coming is really good. That's going to add a lot of value in your life. That is going to shape you as an individual. This may seem like a philosophical talk, but it's not. Even I used to waste a lot of time on useless content, but today that I found these 5 guys, it's actually changed the way I go about, because this is the world, this is the online world. Content is everything right now. So make sure that you follow the right guys, not even these 5. You can comment down if you know any other guy who has added a lot of value. So these are the top 5 recommendations that I have. And before I start, take a note that I haven't ranked this guy. So I'm something like, this is 4, this is the 5th best, this is the 4th best, nothing like that. They are all in their own spaces good. They are just 5 names I'm going to take. Starting with the first one, Gary Tan. Gary Tan is actually an entrepreneur turned investor. He had a blog startup when he started his career. Then he turned into investor, and what he's prominently known for is his investment in Coinbase. He invested around 3 million in Coinbase, which today is worth 680 million. It's damn great, right? Like, you invest 3 million in some startup, you got 680 million out of it. Well, this guy shares a lot of valuable content aside startups. Now, don't run away if you think that he's a startup guy, so he's only talk about startups. He talks about a lot of things. He talks about how to build teams, how to find the right people in life, how to stay away from wrong people, how to take decisions in life, and should you be the one or should you give some charge of your life, because sometimes people are not very clear. The importance of designs and about science, technology, startups, a lot of things, guys. A lot of things. This guy is really great. Also, go and follow him on Twitter. He has some really great tweets. He makes some really great threads there. So, of course, and you should also follow me on Twitter. That is down in the description. While coming back to Gary Tan, as I told you, he has some great insights of the startup world, and also if you want to pitch yourself to Y Combinator, he has some great points. He was a part of Y Combinator, I guess 2011 to 2015 something. He was a part of Y Combinator, and so he gives a lot of valuable content. So if you want your startup to be featured in Y Combinator, he may have some good tips for you. Okay, so get it done, the first one. Coming to the second one on our list is Abhijit Chawda. Who is Abhijit Chawda? He is basically an Indian polymath who knows about a lot of things: astrophysics, history. He knows about a lot of things. These are the 2 that I prominently have seen him talking about, which I basically liked a lot of history, and I came across this guy talking about Genghis Khan. Believe me, guys, you are taught the wrong history. He tells you what history is actually. He even tells ancient history before the Harappan civilizations. And actually, he relates history with how current India is flowing. Believe me, history is not history. History actually matters a lot. History will tell you why we are behaving the way we are behaving today. So he tells you how ancient India was, how it became different from the colonization of after the colonization of the British, and how India should be going about, and the importance of geopolitics. That's what his main area of studies, I guess. So he talks a lot about geopolitics, astrophysics, universe, how the universe was created. If you're interested in the Big Bang Theory, space travel, or time travel, he has also talked about wormholes, galaxies, black holes, everything. So if you want some great content about history and these things, of course, there is no one better than Abhijit Chawda, I guess. Coming to the third one, Ranveer Allahabadiya. Now, guys, this, like, it's very rare you guys won't be knowing about him, and if you don't really know about him, he is a entrepreneur, a YouTuber turned entrepreneur. He has this prominent startup known as Monkey, which is a very inspirational startup. I have heard about this story, and I personally like a lot of his content. with the recent release of his podcast, that is TRS, the content has gone to a next level. He calls some of the smartest Indians on the podcast, including actors or maybe astrologers, or I guess in some case archaeologists, or you just name the field, and I it's rarely that it will not the kind of guy in that field will not be on TRS. Okay, so Ranveer Alabadia also makes a lot of content on life, how to grow yourself on Twitter, how to grow yourself on LinkedIn in a meaningful way by adding valuable content, how to deal with stress, or how to deal with depressions, and a lot of stories. He tells a lot of stories. That's why I'm a big fan of him. And yeah, so Ranveer Alabadia was our third name. Coming to the second one, Noah Kagan. Now I personally really like this guy. Who is Noah Kagan? He is the founder and CEO at AppSumo.com. Now, what is AppSumo? AppSumo is an e-commerce website for SaaS businesses. I guess it is now worldwide, but it was started in California. He was the 30th employee at Facebook. So, of course, his skill, you can see, like, he was the earliest members at Facebook, helped them in marketing. Then he was a part of Mint.com. He scaled that startup from a 0 to 1 million in just 6 months. I believe it's very hard to scale a startup. I'm personally experienced it, we failed in it. So yeah, it's very hard, but this guy did it. This guy makes a lot of great content again on how to start a business, how to be wealthy. Okay, so not how to be rich, how to be wealthy. Again, go to his channel, you'll consider, like, you'll know how to invest, how to market, because, like, even if you have an idea, it's not only for startup guys. If you have any idea in your life which you personally want to pitch anyone, even in your company, this guy will help you. This guy will not help you, this guy's content will help you. So go and follow him. He also talks a lot about making money online, and he has a very interesting video that is I guess, like, he cold emailed and cold messaged some great tech CEOs and how to get reply. Like, getting reply from people on emails is very hard, but this guy actually simplified it, and does even help me. So go and follow Noah Kagan. He is a great guy. Coming to again, my favorite one, whom I personally watch every day almost, because I came a bit late on his channel. He has a lot of videos. I guess he's making it since a year. Ankur Warikoo. Now, he's so famous that among people who watch great content that there will be rarely people who don't know him. But again, if you don't know him, who is Ankur Warikoo? He is the founder of Nearby.com, which was acquired by Paytm, and now, believe me, he has content on everything. He has content on how to manage your financials, what you should be doing in the 20s, and how to go about doing trends, how to invest, the power of compounding. This is the financial side. The other side of him is how to start up. Okay, how to start up, how to gather great team. He has a startup course which is really great. I have not personally gone through it, but according to the critics, is really great. Again, coming to what we talked about is financials, startups, and the most important is how to be happy in life. That's why I really love him. He has a lot of tips on how to be happy in life. He also brings you to the ground reality of the world. So a lot of times you contact people, you want people to be behaving ideally, but he tells you the ground reality of the world. Like, if you contact people, how to contact them so that they can reply to you, because no one cares. Like, if you contact someone who is very famous, he will not get back to you until he benefits in some way. Brutal reality. So he tells you how to get to them, how to get reply from them, and what really is the right way to go about everything in life, including career, financials. He talks a lot about financials, guys. Go and like, you'll understand how important financials after listening to this guy. He also talks about how he was earning in his 20s and what is the importance of money, and, as I said, happiness. He has a lot of content on how to be happy, how to be satisfied in life. Not satisfied like you stop. It's like being mentally satisfied in life at every moment. And if you watch him, he has a different kind of... He looks like a peaceful guy. Like, he's so happy always, and I really love him. So these were the 5 YouTubers that you should actually follow. I'll add a bonus one. Suyog Savalkar. Yeah, guys, he makes a lot of great content. He has made 3 videos and people are loving it. So you could go and subscribe him. How to subscribe him? There's a red button down there. You just click him. subscribe. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching till here. I hope you follow all of them, including me. And meet you in the next video.